Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my Weis couponing haul for the week of November the 14th through the 28th, 2019. So these deals go through the day of Thanksgiving, and then Friday after Thanksgiving we'll start a new ad. So this is a 2-week sale. I don't know if I will go back to Weis. If I do, it will just be to get some extra points to get a free turkey. So I might go back next week. I'm just not sure yet. So let's go ahead and get started on the deals. I did just want to warn you, if I don't have a haul up for Weis, there will not be an ad preview. And I'm not sure if there'll be a haul. If it will, I probably won't even film it because it'll just be a repeat deal. Unless some amazing I bought a rebate pops up or something. Okay, so I'm making the candied sweet potatoes for our family Thanksgiving dinner. I do have a recipe if you want to see that. I'll try to link that down below. They're only 49 cents. This week and next week. I don't know how much they're going to be at Giant. This week they're 79, so it might drop next week. I'm not sure. I just wanted to go ahead and pick those up. So I paid $2.32, a savings of $4.73, so a good price there on the sweet potatoes. And I could not believe this. Weis had a display set up. They had this fancy looking wood box with a whole bunch of these set up with a sign saying, have your Weis app and load the freebie. Instead of trying to hide it and not even advertise it and only having like 3 or 4 in stock, they actually were advertising this. I did post a picture on Instagram if you want to follow me over there. And there was also, well, this is the freebie and the Giants freebie. I just didn't get a chance this morning. Mornings are crazy for me around here. I didn't get a chance to film a video. So if you follow me on Instagram, I always post as soon as I know about the freebies. So that is a freebie of the week. It came off just fine. Let's see. The yoplait. I did this deal last week. My kids love yogurt. We eat at least 1 to 2, go through 1 to 2 of these a day. So I did do this deal last week. This is a month-long deal. It's 10 for 5 when you buy 10. And then I had 2 of those 50 cent off 5 printables. They both doubled. I don't think they're available any longer. I'm not able to print them anymore. But that makes us $3 or 30 cents a piece. Not the best deal. We've definitely seen cheaper, but something my kids eat for lunch every day. That's good enough price for me. And these guys, oh my word, these salted sea salt caramel. If you pop these in the freezer and shake these like a few times and leave them in the freezer for like 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, it is like eating a decadent caramel ice cream. It is so good. So I love those. So good. Then the Chobani, I had $1.25 off any less sugar Chobani product. So it took the $1.25 off this one. And then just the flips and the regular Chobanis are $1. I used the 50 cent request by mail coupon that doubles. If you have those coupons, just keep in mind they expire December 31st. At least the last batch of coupons I got, that's when they expire. So I imagine soon when we contact them, they'll be sending us coupons that have a later expiration date, but you need to use up those coupons. So these weeks that we have those 50 cent or the dollar sales, you need to go ahead and use those 50 cent coupons to try to use up your coupons. Unfortunately, those coupons do say limit 1 per person, so you can't use a bunch of them, even though Weis would probably accept them. I don't know if they would beep or not, but that's besides the point. I only do 1 if it states that, and I catch it. Sometimes I don't catch it. Okay, so I did the buy 6, save $3. So the first thing I did was the coffeemate. Now, I was going to do coffeemate at Giant because they're 2 for $6. There's $1.50 off 2 and a 50 cent off 1 coupon. Load to card. They didn't have any of the like seasonal flavors, anything extra special. All they had was hazelnut and French vanilla. And I don't know, I wanted something different. So I went ahead and I did a sugar-free and a regular pumpkin spice flavor. So those are $3.49. Like I said, had 2 of those 50 cent printables that both doubled. And then I had a 75 cent off of 2 that I'll get back on Ibotta. Then I picked up the Nestle chips. I was really hoping to get some more of those espresso chips that I got at Giant. However, they didn't sell those. So hopefully another deal between now and Christmas will come up for the Nestle. I did get $1.50 off of 3 Catalina that printed for me today. So I'm hoping to use that. I am a huge baker. I bake all year round, so I can always stock up on chocolate chips. Okay, that was a tangent. So I had a 75 cent Catalina that printed for me at Giant. In case you don't know, you can use those Catalinas at all the stores. They're manufacturer coupons. If they try to give you any fit about them, just point right on it. It says manufacturer coupon. So I don't know, guys. When you scan coupons, like let's say this is self-checkout, do you go like this until they go Or do you like go like this and like press them on the scanner? I don't know. I think that's really weird, and it never really works when the cashiers try to do it like that. Just kind of scan it like a normal item. But whatever. She couldn't get the coupons to scan, so she had to input all my coupons. I was going to tell her, but you know how it is when someone tries to tell you how to do your job. So I just shut my mouth and let her input each one. But anyway, so I had a Catalina. Well, those do not double. When you input them, they doubled. So that did double for me. That was a long thing here. Sorry, guys. You're probably like, come on. The Enlightened is $3.99. Thank you so much. One of you guys left in a comment my video last time to let me know that there was an Ibotta rebate. And we also had some Catalina coupons. Or you could go to Enlightened's website and print off coupons. Now, the Ibotta rebate, though, is only for the keto ice cream. And it's not included in this buy 6, save 3. At least it was not tagged. So it's like $5.99. So if you want to get a keto Enlightened, you could use a Catalina and the $2 Ibotta. That's a limit of 5. You could get it for $2, which is a really good price if that's something you want. I just wanted to go ahead and get this as cheap as possible. So I got just the regular Enlightened at $3.99. I had a $3 Catalina that printed for me at Giant, so I was really excited about that. I also had a $2 Catalina that printed for me, I think, last week. So, you know, hopefully you have one of those. Now, the Daisy cottage or cream cheese, what in the world? Daisy sour cream. It was $1.99. I had a 45-cent coupon that they mailed me when I contacted them that doubled. So for all 6 of these products, it would be with your instant savings. So let's focus here. $7.54 or $1.25 a piece, which is a really great deal. However, I did get an extra 75 cents off of those because that Nestle coupon doubled for me. So that is it for Weis that I have for you. And like I said, if something amazing pops up, I will do a video next week, but don't look for that. It just depends. Something amazing will have to pop up. Or if I like really want some more, I don't know, Enlightened ice cream or something. Oh yeah, no shame. This was my lunch. It's already gone. It was so good. That's the really cool thing about being an adult. You can eat ice cream for lunch if you want. And I didn't feel bad about it because it's only 320 calories. So all right, let you in on a little secret there. All right, guys, so that is all for Weis. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.